what's up? It's Kendra. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a super exciting makeup video for you guys. I haven't really done a makeup video in a long time, so I am very excited to say that I have partnered up with Dollskill for this one. For my Canadian friends, if you didn't know where to get lime crime, Dollskill, shipped to Canada. There you go. Yeah, so I'm super excited to do this video. I got this stuff a while ago, filmed this video, absolutely hated it, and refilming it, so hopefully this works out. Still new to the makeup thing. Don't mind my nail, I broke it off this morning and I'm really upset about it and it hurts, but hey, here we are. I'm super excited to do this video. Keep in mind it is a learning experience for me as for you guys, and my camera sucks at focusing. Let's just hope this video goes according to plan. Woohoo. Before we get started though, if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Kendra. I make mediocre videos twice a week. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on those post notifications so you can catch the rest of my videos. Leave me a comment, let me know what you thought, what you want to see next, and give this video a big thumbs up. Also, before we get into it even further, I just hopped on this new app called Reachable. This is what I see. And I haven't really done anything with it yet, but basically it is a subscription service that allows you guys the chance to talk with me directly, ask me questions, we can chat. I'm adding a ton of cool benefits to it. So that is linked down below. Make sure you check that out if you always wanted the chance to chat with me. I've got exclusivity with Snapchat on there. Should be super exciting. I'm really excited to get into that. And yeah, I will see you guys on the app if you want to chat. So I think before we get into this, I don't really know how I was going to do this. I was just going to show you guys everything just really quickly and then do like my makeup with it. So like a full face of Dollskill makeup. I got my Burt's Bees makeup remover wipe to take off my makeup. But just going into everything really quickly, I did use this one palette for Halloween. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm just going to talk about everything super quick and then we're going to do a makeup tutorial. So this is the Immensity palette, eyeshadow palette from Sample Beauty. Super pretty, bright colors. We're just going to fly through this. They sent me 2 Lime Crime palettes, which I am absolutely, I have everything in a bag because I was going to film this video, refilm it when I was on vacation, but messed up. 2 Lime Crime palettes. So the first one is Lime Crime Sun Kissed Face palette. I'm not going to open it right now because we're just flying through this. But it looks like that. I'll show you guys later on. And those are the... They also sent me the Venus XL, which I'll show you guys in a second. A Harley Quinn makeup kit, which I might do something from this, but Halloween is over. But if you guys needed a makeup kit, that was the finished look. If you're ever messing around, I know you TikTokers love to do stuff like that, spooky lighting stuff. So Dollskill has you covered, super affordable. A self tanner, which I'm super excited about. It's called I Want the Darkest Possible. We all know me and my self tanner. Some eyelashes. I thought these were so cute. I don't have any lash glue right now, so I'm gonna make this work. So this is the lash pop. Also, I have my ring light on. It's supposed to be doing things. I'll probably move it closer when we do makeup tutorials. Next is they sent me this. Hello friend. I opened them and ripped the package, but the half caked. So this is lip fondants. They sent me 3. So there is the shade Power Trip, Cream de la Cream, and Forever Eva. So those are super cute. I've been meaning to get more lippies. They're super affordable through Dollskill, guys. I got another lippy. I got Lime Crime Wet Cherry. Their Lime Crime glosses look amazing, so I had to pick that up. Picked up this glitter Unicorn Snot Bio because I love doing glitter instead of highlight. Like, it sounds weird, don't at me, but super cute. Guys, like, so much stuff, all super affordable. 2 brow products, so a brow precision pen and a brow gel, both from Lime Crime. Next is a winged eyeliner from Lottie London winged eyeliner. Looks super good. Super excited to try that out. A stamped eyeliner. This is super cute. It's little stars. Thought that would be adorable for like an e-girl look, you know, getting into TikTok, so don't at me. How many times have I freaking said that? This is a Lime Crime blush. Super cute because I wasn't sure if the palette had one, so I was like, I need a blush. We're doing a full face of makeup. I picked up a half-caked, is that the, yeah, half-caked lip scrub. If you guys don't know what lip scrubs are, it's like sugar and you put it on, scrub your lips, and then you can eat it. So like, hell yeah, why wouldn't I want that? And last but not least, I don't wear foundation, but I needed something for this video, so I picked up the Winky Lux Tinted Veil. It is, I don't know if it's my shade, I was literally just winging it, but it is a tinted moisturizer. So all the stuff is right here, and let's get on with the makeup. So I'm using this as a mirror. It's my Tarte Pro palette, but it's got a giant mirror. Hey, it's you. Mirror in it, so I'm gonna be using that. We're gonna get started by removing my makeup. So, and I just have like a quarter of a face on. Before we keep going, I'm just gonna quickly, because my face is a little red right now, I have like really sensitive skin, I'm just gonna quickly moisturize. So, BRB. Okay, I moisturized and I did a prep spray. There we go, no makeup. What's up? Step 1 is we're gonna go in with this tinted moisturizer and figure out how to open it. And I'm going to apply this. I got the shade medium So it might be a little dark. And then I'm gonna set it with my own powder because I forgot to get powder. But we're gonna try this out. That just came off, it's no big deal. Okay, so I guess when you make a makeup tutorial video, you need brushes. So I grabbed all my brushes and I grabbed a beauty blender. So let's get started with this foundation. So I've seen the pros do it like this. Oh, this is dark. Actually, that's not bad. It smells so good. I like using tinted moisturizers because they're a lot lighter than foundation. I don't wear foundation at all. I'm gonna blend it down. It's a little off of my color, but better than the lighter one would have been, I think. And it's moisturizing, so that's nice. Watch me just like turn into a makeup channel after this. Woohoo! There we go. Now it's a little, so I'm just gonna set it with powder quickly. This is my face right now, so that is the tinted moisturizer, and now we're gonna move on to brows. So funny story, I actually shaved this one brow accidentally off the other day, trying to clean them up, and yeah, so that's my life right now. So yeah, so I zoomed, oh, I look so weird without contour and just face stuff on. I zoomed in so that you guys can see my brows. Let's go in with the Bushy Brow product. I'm gonna open both. Let's do our brows. We do pen or gel first? Pen. Left-handed, so this is a bit of a struggle. I also don't ever do my eyebrows, so I don't really know what I'm doing, so if this looks like shit, sorry, I'm trying. Yeah, okay, that works. I really don't know how to do my eyebrows, so thanks to this pen, it's easy. Oh my god, I actually love this product. That is, ooh. So it's a little bolder than I would normally go, but picking colors out online. Let's fix up this contour so I don't look like a washed up dead person. So I got the Lime Crime Sun-Kissed face palette. So it's got, oh, they're so cute. Everything's called like beachy names. I really vibe with beachy. So Salty, Golden Hour Sundays, Sizzle, Malibu, and Bass. Oh my god, it's neon yellow. I was not expecting that at all because it's, okay, all right, we're doing that. Oh, it's so pretty. I should show you guys instead of just keeping it to myself. We're gonna go in with my favorite brush. There's a mirror in here. It also has a tint on it. Oh, it's just a tint, it's a tinted mirror. So I'm gonna go in with Salty, and I'm gonna take a normal mirror so I actually don't butcher this. I love to over bronze. The kind of person I am. So you're gonna find me always bronzed. That's better, we're getting there. Then I'm gonna go in with the blush that they sent me right here. We're gonna open it. I got it in Pixel. I thought it'd be super pretty. Oh, this is so cute. It's a bubblegum pink, so pretty. So I'm gonna go in with a blush brush. Do I even own a blush brush? Yeah. This is from Claire's, like 12 years ago. Pick up some product. Probably should look at what the hell I'm doing. And I like to do it in my apples on my cheeks, like that. We'll zoom in so you can see. Yeah, so I always like to I honestly overdo it on the cheek color, but it suits me, so it's fine. I'm gonna go in over top with the Sizzle right here, this one. And I'm gonna do just a little more blush. That was too much. That's fine. It's fine. Thank God blushes are a powder and not a cream, and just blend out really easily. I think the rosy look is such a cute look. So I don't usually wear blush, but when I do, it's like this. The next step is we're gonna highlight. The highlight that I'm gonna use is from this palette. I'm gonna go in with Sundays. I think this top corner one, I think that is adorable. My nose is so itchy. Oh my God, I'm dying. Okay, so I'm just gonna pick it up with this highlight brush that I have, dust it off. Oh my God, you guys, it is so pretty. Can we see that? We can see that. Dust it off or blow on it, you know, whatever works. And there we have a highlight. Who is she? Okay, so that is that for the face. Let's see what else we have. Oh, eyes, duh. All right, so let's do some eyes. So much stuff here to play with. I am so excited. First, actually, we're gonna go in and put, actually, no, just kidding. No, we're not. Psych, I lied. We are gonna mess around with the two palettes that they sent me. So this is the Phoenix XL. It is absolutely stunning. Really pretty pinks and like peaches and purples, so I think I'm gonna do a pink look, obviously. So yeah, let's just get into it. I absolutely hate how close you guys are to me, but it's fine. Do it for the makeup. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with, I think we're gonna start with Idolize right here. And I'm gonna sweep that across my whole lid. Oh, that's so pretty. I feel like I could be a makeup artist after all the makeup that I have. Oh, this is so blendable. Oh my god, you guys, that is so good. Okay, so that's the peach, and then we're gonna go in. I actually use my highlight brush for crease. It's meant for creases, and I haven't gotten a second one, so I'm just gonna remove the highlight on this. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with Burnt Gold right here, this one, and I'm gonna do a crease color with it. I'm gonna go in with Supreme and just darken the crease a little bit, just on the outer. Do I make stupid faces when I put makeup on? Probably. Then I'm gonna go in with this little angled brush, and I'm gonna go underneath with my middle color, so Burnt Gold, and do the underneath. And then I'm making sure that I drag it out. I know I make dumb faces, don't mind me. I'm gonna go in with, okay, so this one Fresca, this one shimmery right here has been catching my eye. So I'm gonna pick up some of that and go in the inner corner, just for a little bit of sparkle. And that is a Lime Crime Venus XL eye look. How pretty. Next is, I'm gonna go in with that star stamp, I think. I think that's the move. Oh, it's got an eyeliner on the other side. It's got the little stamp that makes the wing. Guys, can I do it? Probably not. Let's try it out though. We're gonna zoom in for this one. Let's get into it. I kind of dig this eye look. I don't really wear much makeup, but I kind of dig it. Okay. How do you just bite the bullet? Just do it. Oh my god, you guys, that looks amazing. They probably won't be even because that's my life. We did the stamp on both sides. Then I'm gonna go in with this and just fill in. And I just spiked it a little more. Y'all, the one time that I have been doing winged eyeliner, I've been doing it with like a gel liner myself. These are so much easier. I blinked. That was scary. I'm gonna try, because this is a thick, like, boy, she thick one. I'm gonna try the Lottie London, and this is also Lottie London, so I guess it does not really matter. It's the same formula, but it's a thinner thing. Okay, I messed that one up a little bit, but we're fine. We're doing fine. I do like the thicker one better though, so I am gonna go back to using this. Oh, that's the stamp. Could you imagine? I think that's good. All right, now since we're just going at it, this came with little star stamps, so I wanna do a couple little stars. Just wing it, girl. Oh, that is, oh, ooh, adorable. Should we do it on both sides? No, I feel like we should. No. Okay. Well, we're just going at it. There we go. Okay, so, and now I'm gonna try on all the lips for you. So this has been actually really good. I'm really surprised at my makeup skills because I don't have any. So now we're gonna try on a couple of the lips. So we're gonna start with a lip scrub. Actually, we're gonna do some glitter. I'm just all over the place. Super pretty. So this is the Unicorn Snot by Factory. So FCTRY is the brand, and I'm just gonna go in and do a little bit of glitter on my cheeks, just below the stars. Can y'all see that? Oh, let me not put my hair in it. So I just did this off camera, but I put the lashes on. They are so pretty. So this is the Lash Pop. I got them in the style Zero Money. Detached stick for easy carry. Oh, I was like, what? And the stick just peels off. I didn't have eyelash glue, so I just stuck them on. They came kind of sticky, so that worked. But if y'all see them peeling off, just know I'm going through a lot and you don't have to say anything. Let's move on to lips. So the first thing is I'm gonna use the Sugar Lip Scrub. It is blue. I accidentally just ate it off. I was literally licking it earlier, like it's so good. It's so good. Anyways, so put it on, lick it off. It's literally sugar, natural oils, and cotton candy flavoring. It's like super affordable. Next I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on some of my own lip balm and just, I have like dead skin because it's winter here. Don't mind me. I didn't pick up a lip balm. First one we're gonna do is the, this is called Unripe Cherry. It is a Lime Crime Wet Cherry Gloss. Buttery. It smells like cherries. is the half-baked lipped fondants, and then we are done, you guys, which is kind of depressing. I'm having a lot of fun. So the first one I'm going to do is Power Trip. I do not know the colors of these, so this is kind of a surprise. Okay, so it's a little bit of like a darker, these are intense. Okay. Ooh. Okay, all right. So this is the Power Trip one. Guys, let me just come on here quickly and tell you that these, once they dry, are not going anywhere. Like, nowhere. Should have done a lighter one first. They are on there for good. Kiss proof. I mean, I haven't tested it kissing anyone, but all right, now we have a little bit of lips down there, but that's okay. And my lips are a little swollen from me like rubbing at them. That's okay too. Next is Creme de la Creme. Wow. It is a lighter color, really similar to the Wet Cherry, but different. You guys, these go on so smooth. So that is Creme de la Creme. It's a little bit of a more brown nude. Okay, the last lippy that I have to show you guys is Forever Eva. These fondants are insane. I hope this one's red. Okay, it's not. That's okay. You know what? That's okay. It's more of like a pinky. And let's try it out. Ooh. Yo, blooper. I'm gonna FaceTime my mom. Let's see her reaction.
You have something on your face.
I got that on video. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this Dollskills full face makeup video. Dollskills link down below if you wanted to check out any affordable makeup, especially Canadians who want lime crime. Just saying, you can get it in Canada. I had so much fun doing this look, doing my first little makeup thing. I know it's a little rough, definitely working on it, so thanks again to Dollskill for helping me out with that, and you guys for keeping positive and loving and supporting me. If you want to support me further, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. It is Kendra A. Rowe, and add me on Snapchat. It is KENNROWE. All my other socials are linked down below. If you wanted to see more of me, make sure you guys subscribe. Check out my second channel. It's all linked down below. But subscribe, turn on those post notifications, leave me a comment letting me know what you thought, and give this video a big thumbs up so that I know that you guys like them and that you want to keep seeing more of me. I think that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.